Welcome back, viewers and subscribers. Big Super. The right in the vicinity. Yeah, with the right in the vicinity. Little bit above Johnson Crossing. And we just look upon the new road pavement, people. Yeah, we just look. See where the road, see where them join it, the people. The new stretch of road paved from Johnson Crossing. Head straight back to Lyssons. So stick and stay, people. They all look for what I want. Find a new piece of road there and give me some update on it. You understand? Yeah? The road look good, people. The road look good. Coming on down to Johnson Crossing. So my viewers and sub, I don't know if them get to finish the road. Yesterday when I passed, them did a heading at the direction. There was heading in the direction a Lyssons in the direction of Pavilion. And you know we have that school. We have the school people, and we did make a complaint about the school, and we see where the work start up back and all these things. So we now are going to walk towards the school, towards the pavilion. So walk and see how the road looks, see how far them reach, and look if them complete the stretch of road here. Hello, nice lady. morning. Let's see if them complete the stretch of road. So, Big Super, we're there this morning and we're out. See the sign of people. We're out at Johnstown. Crossing, people. See the sign. We're out at Johnstown Crossing. Yeah. And we are take a walk in the direction at Lyssons. And we just have a look how the road we are coming on. How the condition are come on, and we don't know if we can find anybody to talk to people. Because the road look nice and clean. My viewers and sub. Yeah, the road look nice and clean. People that they walk on the road, viewers and sub. So, yeah, this piece of stretch of road there, over 3 years in the making. And we see them finally put on the asphalt on it, and we really and truly, my viewers and sub, we really and truly appreciate it. See the East Indian mango there, East Indian season is in the air, my viewers and subscribers. And I said the piece of road nice and pretty. I don't know if the lady would talk at the side of the camera. Hello, good morning. How are you? I look at the road here. I'm a blogger looking at the beautiful condition of the road. I don't know if your mommy would have tell me just 1 second, you know how it feels to walk now and beautiful asphalt. Okay, she said, you love it though? You love the road? You want one of these camera? Alright, your mommy go and get one for you, yeah? Alright. Some viewers and some young lady said, won't talk, but the road look nice and it look like it gone all the way. My viewers and sub, it look like the stretch of road now gone all the way to the pavilion. Yeah, so my viewers and sub, as you can see, we're coming from that direction and we're headed in this direction. So the road, paving of the road from Johnson Crossing to Yalas, it look like it complete, people. It look like the paving of the road look like it complete. I don't know, I never walk because I never come down here yesterday to see exactly what really take place on the road there. But big up the ballista people them at all time when I pass over here. I have to big up the ballista people them. Free advertisement. If you know. We put it on a sign and on a phone number. Yeah. See the people? All different type of ballista out in a license here so you can get it. All color. Every time. See the people? See the sign there? See the phone number of the people? Let me zoom it up. You see it? When you're in a license, not afraid to stop by. You understand? See it there? All different type of ballista people. Big super up on the road there. And we are going through and we are past the jerk center. We are past the jerk center people. See jerk center yeah? Jerk center people them supposed to glad they're now and tired of the dust. Yeah. Yeah man. Them supposed to glad. Watch that man. The jerk center people them supposed to see the people, them supposed to glad. The amount of dust for them that undergo. Over this at jerk center. They're a nice place, you know. To come hang out, you know. And eat your chicken and who like them pork and drink them soup, all food, everything over there. Party lounge, everything. So big up the jerk center. The road nice. And I know now people are comment now in the comment section and say, Big Super, want to the sidewalk. You know, one man tell me a thing, you know, and I will put it out there. About sidewalk. He tell me, say, you know, say, every time they issue out the road, they issue out the contract for sidewalk too. But it look like the sidewalk part near them off. People, I don't know want to the sidewalk. And nobody ask me how soon the white line will come in it. Because if it take 3 years, nice and pretty. Alright. So if it take 3 years and plus to walk on this a nice beautiful road there, how long it will take to the line and the sidewalk come in? People, Jamaican thing this. So we are doing the walk, my people, and we are head to the pavilion. Yeah, we're heading to the pavilion. The viewers and sub, you have a school down there, so I don't remember the name of it right now. One art school down there, so yeah, and things. So we're heading to the pavilion. The road nice and pretty. Big Super come out here come complain about the school. And people say they don't know if I true me complain. The school complain make the road get so pretty all of a sudden. But them did I work on it still, people. So I don't like them never did I work on it. Me just fortunately just drop in and do a clip on it. And when me do the clip, we realize that everything was done up. So the viewers and stuff. Big Super there. Out in a license. They're on a nice, clean, pretty road. And we are make the walk. Yeah. And we don't know if we'll get anybody to talk to. But Big Super. I make the walk. Out on a nice, clean, pretty road there. And it look like it complete enough people car. I head straight out to the pavilion. I have copyright. So my viewers and stuff, I have copyright. So I kind of pause the car, the camera, until me come out of the copyright area. I come through the bridge. My viewers and stuff, Big Super come to the bridge out of license. I just passed the bakery people. I just passed the bakery. Me at 360 down the road. I'm gonna see what I go on. Yeah man, road look nice and clean. Yeah, traffic a flow nice and clean out of license here. Yeah man, see the people, S and G. You understand? Some of viewers and stuff, we are head in the direction of the pavilion. Yeah man, so all time people that say when it happen in a day or when it happen in a year, when it happen in 3 years, come to think of it, in less than 3 days. So we're there on the road and we are do the walk people, we're out of license and we are head right to the pavilion and we are going to pass the school where we do the the little breaking news pan, you know, with the dust nuisance. See the school over there, so people them a drop off them kids and all them things. Everything look nice and jiggy. Everything look nice and jiggy again for the kids and people. You see it? It's good when you can highlight things, you know. Yeah man, you see that? It's good when you can highlight things. Yeah man. So we just pass the school, see the hardware there. The hardware up and running. So people, we are come right back. I just one little piece we see left on the left hand side. On the left hand side, see the truck there? To come right to this, so see the truck there people. The truck them come to finish up the last little piece there where they're right in front of the school. But people, them a do a good job. Them a do a good job. Someone want to give them a rounds of applause. Can you see? I just one side leave now from the bridge. From the bridge on the left hand, come straight up back to right, which part them start. Some viewers and sub, big super, the out in a Lyssons. And we are showing you, we are walking right up to Jerk, where them keep the home of Jerk Fest, where them keep Jerk Fest every year. We are walking right up to this, so right there so them stop. Alright, that's how we have end the vlog. So, the viewers and sub, yeah, them call a place at the Pavilion. That's how them call a complex at the home of Jerk Fest. So, we come right at the Pavilion people. Right which part them stop. So, you see that truck that will come and park up there, so it's full of material on it people. So it go, them soon start roll out. And the little piece from the bridge will come to right here, so them will complete that today. So people, give them a round of applause. Them a do, yeah. Them a do a good job. Big super out in St. Thomas with their Lyssons. Just to give you an update on what I go on. I hope you enjoy the little video here people. I hope you full up the comment section and all these things. And just do the do people. You don't know. Big super. Remember, give the video the old thumbs up. Remember to give the video the old thumbs up. Remember, say, if you can donate to keep the channel growing people. Donate to keep the channel growing. Then donate to keep the channel growing. Remember for also you know, share it with a friend and all them things. For now, it's over. Out in Lyssons, St. Thomas,